Here at Restaurant 317, all of your dietary requirements and all your requests are never too big or too small. Hi, my name is Christine and I am the manager here at Restaurant 317. So Restaurant 317 is a modern Italian restaurant. We cater to a niche market of celiacs, offering great quality gluten-free dishes. Restaurant 317 was established back in 2005 by Pierre Sandy, who happens to be my husband. Pierre had a very close family member that was diagnosed with a celiac disease. There was very limited options for her to go out and dine, and that just made him think and branch off to try and open up a gluten-free restaurant to try and cater for great quality food and great service. People love coming to Restaurant 317 because they love to be provided with options and variety. We have one of the largest menus that the heart of Parramatta has to offer, allowing for all of our celiacs to come and dine at ease with the great variety of food that they might not be able to get elsewhere. So tonight we are going to be plating up our homemade gluten-free gnocchi in our garlic brown butter sauce. So to make this dish, we start with our homemade gnocchi. We start with boiling the potatoes, letting it rest. We then turn it into mashed potato. We season with some salt and pepper. Add some egg, our gluten-free flour of course. We mix in all of our ingredients together to create a dough-like texture. The gnocchi mixture is then rolled out and portioned into small ball shapes. The little pieces of gluten-free gnocchi is cooked in some boiling water, then chilled over some ice to bring down the temperature to avoid it being overcooked. We now move on to our chef's signature, gluten-free brown butter sauce. It is made with some butter, dried sage, pistachios, and finished off with a touch of lemon. That looks great. And there you have it, guys. There is your gluten-free gnocchi in our brown butter sauce. We look forward to having you guys come in and try it one day. When anyone comes to visit us here at Restaurant 317, they are not just a number, they're coming here because they are family. Great service creates an experience and quality food leaves an impression. And this is definitely a part of the culture here at Restaurant 317. We look forward to seeing you very soon.